Reading for November the 14th to the 21st. So this will be your weekly air signs. Ang nakikita natin dito kahit may attempt si person na suyuin ka, kahit may attempt si person kausapin ka, parang feeling mo this is not the time yet, no? So, baka magkaroon ng assumption kasi si person na nagpapabebe or baka magkaroon siya ng assumption na um, nagpapahabol, no? Pero yung sa'yo, hindi pa talaga time, no? Hindi ka pa healed. Kumbaga, hihingi ka pa, no, ng extensions. Siguro ganun kagrabe yung ginawa ni person for you to feel that way, na parang sinasabi mo dito, hindi ganun kadali, no? Pwede kung magpatawad, pero yung kalimutan, hindi pa. Actually, yung patawad, hindi ko rin masyado magagawa so far, no? Hayaan mo munang namnamin ko yung pain. Parang ganun yung gusto mo sabihin eh. Hayaan mo munang, hindi naman ako magtatagal dyan. Hindi ko yung gagawing bakasyonan, no? But, I want to know kasi din, no? Through that pain, I want to know what went wrong. So, I want to learn from it, no? This is your reading air signs for November the 14th to the 21st.
Predicting future is my purpose. Yelling the stars.